Understanding the phrase, not give 2 cents. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a popular English idiom that you might have heard or read somewhere. Not give 2 cents. This expression is a fascinating part of the English language, and understanding it can add a new layer to your communication skills. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, not give 2 cents, is an idiom used to express a strong indifference or lack of interest towards something. When someone says they don't give 2 cents, it means they do not care about the matter at hand or have no opinion about it. It's a way of saying that something is so insignificant to them that they wouldn't even spend 2 cents, which is a very small amount of money, on it. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us appreciate their meanings more deeply. The expression, not give 2 cents, originates from the United States, dating back to at least the 19th century. 2 cents was a very small amount of money even then, symbolizing something of minimal value. This phrase reflects the idea that the speaker's interest or concern is so low, it's not even worth the smallest denomination of currency. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use not give 2 cents in conversation. This phrase is informal and typically used in casual settings. Here are a few examples. Expressing indifference. I don't give 2 cents about celebrity gossip. Showing lack of interest in an argument. You can argue all you want, but I really don't give 2 cents. Highlighting unimportance. Whether they go with blue or green for the party theme, I don't give 2 cents. It's important to use this phrase only in contexts where it's socially acceptable to express indifference or disinterest openly. Like many idioms, not give 2 cents has variations that carry the same or similar meanings. Some of these include not give a hoot, not care a whit, and not give a damn. Each of these expressions conveys a level of indifference, although the level of formality or intensity may vary. Understanding idioms like not give 2 cents is a key part of learning English. It not only helps you understand native speakers better but also enriches your own way of expressing feelings and opinions. Remember, idioms are a window into the culture and history of a language, so embracing them can make your communication more colorful and authentic. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.